Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on a Ram 1500. First, park your truck on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct for accurate measurements. Then, mark the wall to align with the center of your headlights and the center of your truck. This preparation ensures a precise adjustment. Next, open your hood and find the adjustment screws on each headlight assembly. You'll typically need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Torx bit, depending on your specific Ram 1500 model. These screws control the beam's direction. Start by turning the vertical adjustment screw to either lower or raise the headlight beam, aiming for the marked lines on your wall. Now, fine-tune the vertical aim. The top of the brightest part of your headlight beam should be slightly below the marked line on the wall. Then, use the horizontal adjustment screw to center the beam. It's crucial that both headlights are aimed symmetrically. This ensures you have optimal visibility without blinding oncoming drivers, providing a safer driving experience. Finally, take your Ram 1500 for a drive on a dark road to double-check your adjustments. Make sure your headlights provide clear visibility without causing glare for others. Remember, aiming your headlights too high can blind oncoming drivers, creating a hazard. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, consider a book that can truly change how you think about money. You'll find a link to it there as well.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.